Chapter 34: Avoiding Common Pitfalls and Scams in the Online Business World. The internet has made it easier than ever to start a business, but it's also made it easier for bad actors to prey on beginners. For every genuine opportunity, there are dozens of scams, overpriced get-rich-quick programs, and well-meaning mistakes that can cost you time, money, and confidence. If you want to succeed in the online business world, you need to learn how to spot the traps and avoid them. One of the biggest pitfalls is shiny object syndrome, constantly jumping from one idea, business model, or platform to another because you're chasing the latest trend or promise. You see a YouTube video about dropshipping and think, that's it. Then, 2 weeks later, someone tells you affiliate marketing is better, so you switch. Then you hear about a new social media platform and shift all your focus there. The problem isn't the opportunities. Many business models can work. It's that you never stick with one long enough to see results. Real success requires focus and consistency, not constantly restarting. Another danger is overinvesting in the wrong things too early. It's easy to get caught up in spending or fancy branding, expensive websites, and premium software before you've validated your idea. In the early stages, your priority should be testing your offer and finding customers, not perfecting every deal. There's nothing wrong with upgrading later, but blowing your budget before you've made your first sale can put you in a hole that's hard to climb out of. Then there are the too good to be true programs. If someone promises you'll make thousands of dollars a week with no work or just 30 minutes a day, it's almost always a scam or at best a misleading sales pitch. Real online businesses take effort, skill, and time to grow. If there's no clear explanation of how the business works, or if it relies entirely on you recruiting others to join, that's a red flag. Always research the person or company making the offer, read reviews from independent sources, and trust your gut. Another common trap is buying too many courses and never implementing. Education is important, but consuming information without taking action leads to what's called course junkie syndrome. You feel productive because you're learning, but nothing changes in your actual business. The best approach is to choose one high-quality program, follow it fully, and apply what you learn before moving on to the next. Be wary of copying other people's businesses too closely. It's one thing to be inspired by a successful model. It's another to clone someone's product, website, or marketing word for word. Not only is it unethical, but it also rarely works because you're missing the deeper understanding of why their strategy works for their audience. The most successful businesses adapt proven models to their own voice, market, and strengths. One more pitfall is ignoring legal and financial basics. Even if your business is small, you should keep clear records, separate your personal and business finances, and follow relevant tax and legal requirements in your country. Failing to do this can lead to tax trouble, legal disputes, or unexpected bills down the line. It's not the fun part of entrepreneurship, but it's essential for protecting yourself and your business. When it comes to scams, there are a few universal warning signs. High-pressure sales tactics, this deal ends tonight. Vague or no explanation of the actual business model, testimonials that sound scripted or fake, and promises of guaranteed income. A legitimate opportunity should be able to clearly explain how it works, what's required from you, and what the risks are. The best defense against pitfalls and scams is a combination of skepticism and discipline. Don't let fear of missing out push you into rushed decisions. Do your due diligence, focus on one proven path at a time, and make sure every investment of time or money aligns with your current stage of business. In the online business world, avoiding mistakes can be just as important as making the right moves. By steering clear of scams, distractions, and costly errors, you give yourself the time, space, and resources to focus on building something real and lasting.